Hello, hello. Welcome to Turkey Tales. It's day 3 in Turkey and we have reached Cappadocia. And I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So, we enter and this is how it looks. On the right, we have the washroom. And then we move out. And that's the bed. That's me again. And then there's a television and it says something in Turkish. I'm assuming it's a welcome and it's customized. It says welcome Suhani and Sanya if the first word means welcome. And that is how the view from our room is. I love this property. It's called Barcelo. And yes, my parents have gotten a deluxe with a balcony. We will go there as well to have a look at their room as well. So let's go. We are here on the 5th floor, but I've forgotten the room number. I think it's something with 5001 or 5002. Yeah, I think I should give them a call to find out where they are because I do not remember. Okay, yes, I found them. It's 5009 or 5001 or 2. That is their room. And I'm sure even they have a specialized message that says, welcome Manish and Raksha, just like we had. Here's biryani from last night. And let's go to the balcony now. Balcony kholo? Ready? हाँ ready तुम चलो ना. Okay. That is a view. It's quite a small balcony, I would say, but the view, the fjord again German क्यों आ जाती है? But the view for that, I think it's quite good.
Ich bin zu Hotel.
Ich bin im Hotel. Hello guys, we are waiting to go to the hot air balloon now. We woke up at 3 a.m. because we were supposed to be picked up from our hotel at 4 a.m. from the reception. And here we are waiting at a stop where we got some breakfast and tea. And yeah, we are now heading towards our location for the hot air balloon ride. So while we were waiting for our hot air balloon ride, we got some pictures clicked here, and then we also saw them inflating the hot air balloon. But unfortunately, we could not do the ride because the weather conditions weren't suitable. Yes. Yes, my catty. What were you saying?
No. अरे नहीं मैं चला दूंगी.
The sun has risen and you can see how the top of the stones have turned golden yellow. Look at that one. Oh my god. And there we have another hot air balloon being prepped up. Hello guys, it's me reporting from the hotel at 10:20 a.m. We came back from our hot air balloon ride because we couldn't do it at all because the weather conditions were not suitable for the ride. So was a little disappointed in the morning, but I hope we get to do it in the upcoming few days that we are here. Hopefully tomorrow. But now we're gonna go get ready and go to an underground city. And I will see you there. This underground city. There is the entrance. And this is the very long queue because tickets aren't available online. That's us after we got our tickets and we're entering the underground city, and we had to get down the stairs quite a lot until we came to the part where the city was built, and it was absolutely amazing as to how people would live here in those ancient days because it wasn't possible for us to walk straight for most of the time, so we had to bend quite a lot. Yeah, but interestingly, this was their kitchen, and then there were quite a lot of holes as well, wherein I tried to get in, and then at one point of time, I think this is the one that I'm getting into, and I couldn't get out. from the other side, so I had to somehow I just came out of this side as well, so it was kind of an adventure.
अरे ऐसे बहुत बुरी लग रही है लाइट इधर से आ रहा है आंटी
पता है मुझे तो चलो ना, अरे चल ही नहीं पा रहे हैं शिट,
अरे मैं सीधा नहीं हो पा रही
गर्दन दर्द हो रही है।
पीठ से नीचे गर्दन से नहीं
घुटने मोड़ो।
Let's go back.
मेरा वाइफ we are at this restaurant called Doyum restaurant, and we just got this complimentary salad and different types of chutneys and baked vegetables and raw onions, and then dad ordered this turnip juice which is made out of radish, purple carrot, turnip and whatnot.
Why did anyone
And-
even create a drink with turnip?
It was good.
It tastes,
It was good? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You
it
should
tastes
try.
yuck,
No,
I'll
no.
tell you.
I'm telling you, you have to taste it a couple of times to understand the taste. It's good.
Then we ordered this Turkish pizza which is called pide. This is the cheese one. This is the vegetarian one. Taste test guys.
Cheers.
सब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है भाई।
Pide. Cheers to pide.
It's like garlic bread.
And then we got chicken skewers and chicken kebab. We are here at the Red Valley Park for sunset, and that's our view. It's absolutely windy. I don't know if you can hear my voice. And Mummy, look here. Dad went to get a cab for himself because it's too windy, and now we plan to go on one of those small mountain tops. So I will see you from there. ठंडी हवाएं लहरा के आए, बहुत ठंडी हवा है भाई, और ऐसा कि बस बहुत तेज़, और कोई एकदम ऐसा पतला सुगड़ा इंसान होगा तो उड़ ही जाएगा। सानू कैसे कैसे हाथी की तरह चल रही है, उसका कोट उसको और पोलर बेयर बना रहा है, और वो और झुक झुक के ऐसे चल रही है जिससे पता नहीं क्या ही हो गया। देख 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 वो बच्चा देखो कैसे भाग भाग के जा रहा है, और तुम्हें को वो जो अंकल जा रहे हैं, तुम्हारी मर्जी, वो जो अंकल जा रहे हैं ना वहाँ पे, वो हम लोग को बोले, सानू को बोले कि वहाँ से मत जाओ, ये यहाँ से रास्ते से आ जाओ, ये इजी है चलने के लिए, और वो वहाँ पे फंस गई है स्टैचू। बाय। हाँ मुझे कंटेंट, अरे चढ़ो ना यार ऊपर, गिरी तो गिरी जाओ तो सही, नहीं गिरोगी। एक पैर स्टेबल रखो, हाँ ऊपर चढ़ो। अब नीचे उतरो यार। सीधे आओ, वहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है। आ गए बेबी स्टेप लेके चलो, कुछ भी नहीं है। मम्मी हो गया पागल भाई, नीचे तो चले गए, ऊपर आने में फिर हालत खराब हो गई। माय गॉड से
ऊपर हवा बहुत ज़्यादा थी।
बहुत ज़्यादा हवा है, और नीचे उतरना है सीसी चढ़ना, तो बस अभी सनसेट होने वाला है। और सानू और पापा गए गाड़ी से पानी लेना है, बिकॉज can't breathe. It is day 2 in Cappadocia, and unfortunately our hot air balloon ride for today was also cancelled because of unsuitable weather conditions. So we booked another one for tomorrow. Hopefully we do get to do it tomorrow, because we're leaving the day after to another destination in Turkey, not Istanbul. And right now we are at Uchisar Castle. It is again very windy today, which is why the hot air balloon ride was also cancelled. That's why you see me all covered and just protecting myself. But that's the Uchisar Castle. We will find out if we can go up there. Yeah. Otherwise, yesterday we went to an Indian restaurant. Food wasn't as great as we wanted it to be, but we ended up meeting another Sindhi family sitting right next to us. So yeah, I mean, it was a nice evening yesterday, and then went off to sleep again, sad because the hot air balloon ride was cancelled. Let's hope. So the first day we actually went to the location, but then the ride did not happen. Today we didn't even go, so we didn't have to wake up early, but we do have to tomorrow. So let's see. That was it for now. We will then have lunch after going to the castle, and then we will go for an ATV tour, which is something I'm excited for. And look at the wind. Ooh. Right outside this castle, there's the castle. We found this one hot air balloon where you can get yourselves clicked. So I think it's the best option for us as of now, until we go and get to do the ride tomorrow. But the view is very pretty from here, but also very windy. Hello, we are here at the ATV setup where we are waiting for our ATV vehicles, and on our way we got to know that the hot air balloon ride for tomorrow also is cancelled, which is again very, very sad. But we are hoping for the best. If not tomorrow, we are flying on the 3rd, which is the day after. So it's going to be very tight if we get to do it on 3rd. But as of now, we are here to enjoy the ATV ride, and then we have planned something at the hotel after dinner. So मेरी clip क्यों खराब की? So yes, and here it is absolutely very windy, so much so that I had to exchange my jacket with Sanya because it was very, very cold and I needed this hood. So shout out to her for exchanging my jacket. वीडियो ही ले गई भाई, ये क्या बात हो रही है? ठीक है, दिखा दो. वहाँ बहुत सारे घोड़े हैं, यू कैन डू हॉर्स राइडिंग हियर, वो भी है. और यहाँ इतना धूल मिट्टी है बिकॉज ऑफ हवा एंड एवरीथिंग. और वो कैमरा लेके अब वापस आ रही है, तो मैं अब बोलना बंद करूँगी. ये बिल्कुल ही पागल सी लड़की है. देखो क्या हरकत कर रही है, बेफालतू का. फिर चेक मेरे वीडियो में बीच में वॉइस ओवर मैं दे रही हूँ. अब मेरा वीडियो मुझे वापस किया जाए. वापस करो दो यार.
Let me do a cinematic shot.
कोई सिनेमैटिक नहीं दो. Oh my god, this ATV ride was so much fun. It was a very windy day, but we still had a lot of fun. Yay. Stop 1.
Stop 1, 10-minute break.
बस ये इसके बाद वापस है ना?
Hello. It is day 3, technically day 4, but the first one was just a night. So day 3 in Cappadocia. We got up very early and then went for a drive. Came back, had breakfast, and then again hurried to a pottery workshop. That was also very fun. I will add a few clips here. And right now we are at the Love Valley. That's our view. There's a lot of options here. You have camel riding, horse riding, and some places where you can click pictures. like they are doing. And then we are gonna head to our Airbnb in Kesari before we catch our flight to Antalya tomorrow morning. And yeah, unfortunately our balloon tour got cancelled today as well, so we are a bit unlucky this time with the hot air balloon ride, but let's see what happens in the trip ahead. They also have this 360 video shoot option here. This is the wish tree where people have tied quite a lot of pots with their wishes. Oh, he increased the volume. Copyright nahi lagna chahiye. We are here at this town called Kavusin for lunch. We did go to the Red Valley, but it was not worth it. So we just turned our car and now we are at this cafe, old Turkish cafe.
Did you miss me? Because I missed you.
So we are here at this Kavusin area for lunch, and the view is quite pretty. That's why they're getting themselves clicked. Here's a dustbin quite next to me, so I will move from here because it's an open dustbin. So yeah, let's go to the cafe and look at the menu because although I'm not hungry, but it's time for lunch, so let's go. Ignore the dustbin and this white t-shirt. Hi.
Suhan, please, beta.
क्या हम कहाँ कुछ कर रहे हैं
बोल दे भाई तुम्हारे यहाँ बिल्ली है, हम लोग कहीं और जा रहे हैं. छोड़ दीजिए कहीं और चलते हैं अगर आप
कोई नहीं है उसको So we ended up at this cafe called Capa Gusto with a beautiful view for lunch, and we ordered this special, if I remember correctly, this is called testy kebab or something. We ordered this in chicken. So the special part about this testy thing was that they had to break it out of the pot and then they serve it to you. That was done in front of us. We've reached Kesari. I forgot to record my Airbnb, but we have come out for tea/coffee right now, and this is our view. And we are at this cafe. And we are at this cafe called Artful. It's a very aesthetic cafe. As you can see, the moment you enter, a lot of greens. The wall is very beautifully decorated here as well. And then they have quite a few handmade stuff that you can buy. And I will also show you my order in a bit as soon as it comes. And our order is here. Mom has ordered Turkish tea. That's tiramisu. I ordered an iced caramel macchiato. Sana, what did you order? Iced caramel latte. I ordered caramel macchiato. Dad, what did you order? He ordered the Artful latte, which is named after the cafe's name. And that's our order. Looks very pretty and aesthetic. ये यहाँ पे फोटो सेशन चल रहा है. देखो मुझे साइड में साइन नहीं हो सकती यार. मैं साइड कैसे हूँ? मैं एकदम सामने बैठी हूँ. क्या बोला?
हाँ बोल रही
YouTube video. Say hi. Say hi.